Good evening, ma'am. Uh, I'm John Arvin Caspe from 36, and this is my short video about explaining why, explaining how the five school of penology differ in their views and on why people commit crimes and what punishment should be applied to them. So first, in the classical in the in the classical school believes that the people commit uh, crimes out of free will and making rational choice based on a pleasure and pain. Therefore, the punishment should be certain, is swift and proportionate to differ future crimes. And in the contrast of classical school is the positivist school. Why? Because it is argued that the crime is influenced by the factors beyond a person control, and such as biological, psychological, or social condition. And so the offender should be treated and rehabilitated rather than simplified to punish them. In the neoclassical school accept that the idea of free will, but recognize exemption like the children and mentally ill person who cannot fully understand their actions. Those thus those thus punishment must be considered individual circumstances. Um, Next is what is sociological school. It explained that the crime as a result of social problems like poverty, inequality, and lack of education. So it is emphasize prevention, social reform, and rehabilitation instead of harshing punishment. And finally, the last school that differs from uh, penology differs in the view of people why commit a crime. Last is eclectic school. It combines that the view of the others, stating that the crimes